Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can block numbers on your Motorola Moto G13. Maybe you get a lot of spam calls, people steal your time, they try to sell you something. This can be very annoying, or you maybe have like a person that you want to block because you don't like them or something. So to do so, you need to go to your phone icon here, go to these three little dots, go to settings, and then go to block numbers. Here you can enable the unknown, block calls from unidentified callers. You won't receive calls or text from blocked numbers. And then you can also add a number. So you can put in a phone number here and say block. Then whoever is behind that number can't reach you anymore. If you go back, you can also go to caller ID and spam, identify business and spam numbers. You can enable and disable this and filter spam calls, prevent suspected spam calls from disturbing you. You can also enable this and then go back and enjoy the silence when all those spam callers aren't able to reach you anymore. So that's how you block numbers on your Motorola Moto G13. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.